What happened to the blowjob? It's like men have to put the picture of a blowjob in a milk carton. Have you seen this face? It looks like this. Have you seen this face? And ladies, you don't even have to be good. You could be horrible and we don't give a shit. Just be in the vicinity. You could be giving us head like this and be like, yeah, baby, that's it. That's what I like. Ooh, yeah, baby. Oh my God, where'd you learn that, on Sex in the City? Just be close to the dick and we're okay. But you can't get away with that shit when it comes to women. You can't. When it comes to women, you better know what the fuck you're doing. And you gotta do it like you mean it. You can't be like you're in Fear Factor going, I'm gonna do it, okay? I'm gonna do it. Shit. Stop rushing me. You're gonna get me nervous. There, happy anniversary. You happy? Bullshit, you gotta be like a puppy with a new shoe. And then you can't stop until she gets tired. That's why when I do it, I got a snorkel, a bib, I got flippers. It looks like I'm finding Nemo. And I don't stop until I find that little son of a bitch. The next day, my friends are like, hey, Joey, how was your date last night? Oh, it's good. But call me tomorrow. I can't talk right now. It's busy. And that's my favorite thing. Everybody in this room, I don't care who you are, young or old, man or woman, fucking black or white, we all have that one sexual thing that we just can't live without. And if I was on Sesame Street, I'll be the coochie monster. C is for coochie, that's good enough for me. See, one coochie, ha 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 ha. Two coochies. And the only way I could describe my love for this particular sexual act is, you know how there's wine connoisseurs? Wine connoisseurs love wine so much that they could have just a sip and tell you all about it. They have a little sip of wine and be like, they can tell you what part of the country it's from, how old it is. That's like me. I'm like a coochie connoisseur, I guess. I could have one sample, one taste of my lady, be like, Pasadena, 77. Your social security number is 52645. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.